So the first three cards I'm getting is Return Demon Attack, Moving Forward, King of Cups, Moving Forward again, Eight of Swords upright, a binding, contract, something that's going to weigh heavy on someone, King of Wands, Ace of Swords. Archangel Raziel. Archangel Raziel. Archangel Raziel. Please assist me in this reading. Three of Cups. It's a celebration of what? Ten of Cups. Four of Cups. Three of Cups, Four of Cups. There's a gathering here that's going to make someone emotional. Someone's going to need to defend themselves from something. They're going to feel like they're under fire. A King of Swords. Moving forward. Someone's been on a journey doing something. Three of Pentacles. To draw people into a triangulation. To triangulate someone. Yeah, to put a boundary around someone. King of Pentacles. This was to create a new beginning. Because someone didn't want to walk away from an opportunity. King of Cups was involved. A failed disruption. That was part of a contract. This was someone old. And someone that can't defend themselves. Can't or couldn't. Heartbreak. Or it's a heartbreaking situation or something. For money. Yeah, so the truth about something is heartbreaking. It's a contract. It's a contract. Killling. That's cool. So we got the King of Swords and Queen of Swords archetype out. She's sitting next to the Ten of Pentacles. And then yes, right? It's the yes card, moving forward on horses card. On to calmer waters, wind in your sails. Walking away from something. Walking away from King of Cups. To where there's divine union here. It's interesting because this Queen of Swords on one side, she's got 10 Pentacles, and then on this other side, there's the 8 of Cups, and then the 2, that's 10 Cups, right? And then right above her to the left a little bit is the King of Swords, right? Look, balance. So something's getting balanced out here. Yeah, something where an angel was made to look like a demon. Heartbreaking. Causing fights. And some people are bound to something here. A legal binding, perhaps. They are legally bound to something they were reaching for, this pentacle they were reaching for. This was betrayal. So, reaching for the pentacle that belongs to Queen of Pentacles. Interesting. And the Queen of Pentacles is also touching this 10 of Pentacles now. 9 of Pentacles on the bottom of the deck. So this Queen of Pentacles would be standing in true 10 of Pentacles energy to everyone. But there's something going on here. There's like a lot of things going on here. It's heartbreaking. Strange. A 3 of Swords keeps showing up, but it hasn't come out yet. Failed theft, failed deception. The 7 of Swords is under the Queen of Swords, so the deception couldn't get over the Queen of Swords sight. 5 of Pentacles. Queen of Swords has gotten over the 5 of Pentacles. Knows that these tactics are contracted for an Ace of Pentacles. So all these things are under contract for an Ace of Pentacles. And this King of Cups is they're at the seat of it all, right? Right. So this is an archdemon in the situation. And this person is looking for any and all avenues to get something done. To a King of Pentacles, or King of Pentacles is involved. someone's known for a long time, since childhood, which, could be a lot of people, and I'm getting a different king now, right? We just got King of Cups on the bottom. Now there's a King of Wands. And we saw King of Pentacles here. So something about this triangulation was meant to overpower this person in all ways, right? They were supposed to be spiritually manipulated. I'm seeing 229 contract on intuition and greed. So these three kings, right? These are dark intuitives who felt like someone looked like a piece of food. So they decided to come up with a triangulation that they made it seem impossible to escape. They laid that out. Nine of Pentacles. The King of Pentacles has 9 pentacles, right? Contract. I feel like what keeps popping out in this read to me is like a heartbreak and a contract. So like a contract to cause heartbreak. Like something was a plan. Now, people could be like, their hearts could be getting judged right now. I feel like I just said something about heart before that. Yeah, some angels could be working on some people. Some people are having their magic dismantled. War, work, heartbreak, causing heartbreak to a king of wands. Oh, wow, a king of wands that has heavy protection, right? The king of wands has all these wands around him. Interesting. I think that'll do it for this read. Namaste.